Product Hunt is a social network visited monthly by 2 million of startup people. All founders, designers, coders, marketers, and product geeks hang out there. Exposure to such a huge audience can give you glory, tons of signups, downloads, and literally skyrocket your startup overnight, which happened to me many times. All for free. So how to get it? Let's have the most useful 100 seconds in your life and learn about it. But first, you need to know how exactly Product Hunt works. Here is the 10 seconds explanation. Product Hunt is a social network, like Facebook, but cool. People there post new tools and apps they found. Others rate and comment. The super engaged community makes Product Hunt more than just a product discovery place. It connects founders directly with their target customers. Really? How? You can post your own product there and get free quality traffic. Now, finally, let's learn how to launch your own product there. You will need 5 things. An account, it's free and open to join. A working product which is accessible publicly. Product Hunt is for products, not for waitlists. A description, thumbnail and images gallery. A hunter, the person who will post your product there. Or you can hunt yourself, but of course a famous hunter will work better. And an exact date of the launch date. Weekdays are busy and harder to compete. Weekends are emptier, easier to get to the top, but the traffic is smaller. So you hunted it. What happens next? Once hunted, your product will be immediately placed in the newest section. If the audience likes it, it will jump out on the front page and then compete with other products of this day. The more upvotes you have, the higher your product will rank and the more exposure you will get. If you reach to the top, your app will be also highlighted in the official Product Hunt newsletter and every blogger will know about your startup. Here are pieces of advice on how to launch successfully. First and the most important, have a product. Not just a working product, but a great one. Product is the key. People there will not listen to your marketing bullshit. They will open the tool and just try it. Second, have a pre-built audience. It's highly recommended but not required. Have at least 200 of fans and friends who will upvote your launch just because they like you. It will provide an initial boost and highly increase your chances to get to the top. The video is over. Thanks. Bye.